So in today's video I am going to be sorting out this horrible mess of wiring in my mower. It's just absolute mess. There's been years of just putting things together, not really any thought behind where they're going. So I'm going to strip it all out, pull this console out, clean it all up, and then I'm going to make some like wiring looms to go in there and make it all neat. So as you can see down the back there's an old solenoid. There's one solenoid there. There's wires everywhere, wires down there, just like this thing's done in 4 spots. Like, that's bad. I don't reckon any of it's been soldered. I've actually done most of this and I'm not too happy about it. So the whole thing's going to get stripped out, put into a new wiring loom and make it all nice. Made up a bit of a wiring diagram. As you can see, there's not much really. So what I'm using is all this wire there. Maybe that's some 3-core there and some other stuff through there. So I've got a fair bit of wire that I can redo the mower with. Okay, so I'm now going to sort out all these wires, take it off the solenoid and stuff and do all that. So it's much cleaner now. We'll put everything back in and rewire it all. So all this wire here, I'm going to pull out a length and kind of go from the accessories down. I'm going to start at the back lights and work my way. And then I'll start the main wiring, they can go into it there. I'll go from the headlights, which I don't know if I'm going to put my Suzuki ones on. The little one, fog light sort of things. I like the look of them on there though, so I might pick up something for this or... But anyway, I'm going to run a headlight wire for that. And then I'll get into the main loom for all the starters and everything. Alright, top ones are in. I'll just put the globes and covers back on down the outside. I wanted to run it through the middle, but for some reason I couldn't push it through. So just doing how it was before, down there. It's only one wire this time because all these are grounded. So yeah, nice and simple. I am now doing this half here sort of with the what would you call it? The alternator, not an alternator, you know, charging system, the starter and the lights. That's going to be this side. So I'm now putting all the wires onto the solenoid. I'm not putting it where it used to go, I'm putting it where that old one was. I feel like it'll be a heck of a lot neater and all the wires will run to it easier. Got the bulk of the wiring in, it's all going down there. Got the starter push button in, all the back wired up. This nice loom down there with everything going into it. That's just going to stay open, so if I want to put headlights on, I can just plug it into that and it'll already be wired up and in the system. This one is going to go up to that switch there for the headlights. I've got to wire up the ignition, I've got to wire up all that, so still got a bit more to go. Finished it. Looks very good. I've got to put all this back. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It went from like a total mess to this. Everything's in its place. 3 wires coming down here instead of a lot more than 3. Just 1 wire there. 1 engine block ground. Couple grounds. Everything goes down to the positive of the live of the solenoid instead of right onto the battery connector. Makes it so much easier to move around. You don't have to have 4 or 5 wires coming off this. All down there. All got this corrugated tubing up into there. I put 1 fuse for both sets of lights. The back lights did work when I put the battery in, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. Alright, so thanks for watching. I really like how it turned out. Took me probably a good 4 hours to get this all sorted, but yeah, thanks for watching.